Welcome to our tutorial for codeless app generation in Copilot4DevOps V6. The feature previously titled Create No-Code Prototype has been renamed to Codeless App Generation to provide better clarity and alignment with its functionality. Users can continue to convert their requirements into fully functional applications without writing any code. The Codeless app now supports launching with or without referencing existing work items. This enhancement enables users to streamline the app prototyping process by optionally embedding work item context directly into the build flow. Users can select work items, configure relevant fields, and choose whether to pass them as input to the app. The original flow for launching without work items remains available, offering flexibility based on user needs. Once you have configured the work item, the users can click on Next, and here they can provide the name of the solution they want to build. Here I would like to build a support portal for customers. Users can also provide a description, and here the work item is passed as a reference. You can click on Next. Once you move to the next step, Codeless One's AI will make recommendations to help you build the structure of your app, including objects and properties. The system will automatically select the recommended object and their relevant attributes. You can generate more suggestion by clicking on Show More. Users can also leverage AI to define relationships between the different components. The relationships can be updated by clicking on the drop-down. With just a few clicks, you're ready to generate your app. If you already have a Codeless One account, just confirm your email to proceed. If you don't, it's easy to sign up. A quick 30-second registration, and you're ready to go. This is the fastest way to generate a fully functional app without coding, thanks to the power of AI and automation. Here, I have an app built using the same process. The app comes equipped with powerful tools for data management, Gantt chart, dashboarding, and workflow automation. With Codeless One, you can quickly turn your ideas into real interactive applications. You can also use your prototype to validate requirements, share your vision with stakeholders, and gather early feedback, all without writing a single line of code. This brings us to the end of video. Thank you for watching.